Hello friends, welcome to my channel Codes Laboratory. So in this video I am going to tell you what is Java. Okay, so before going to explain this definitions, let's go through of it once. Java is a programming language and computing platform first released by Sun Microsystems in 1995. There are lots of applications and websites that will not work unless you have installed Java, and more are created every day, and it was created by James Arthur Goslings, and he started working on this project in the year of 1991. Okay, so let's try to understand what does it mean. So programming language, it is a medium or language through which you can communicate with machine. So machine will understand what you wanted to say to it, and it will respond accordingly. So let's move to computing platform. Java is a platform independent because it has its own platform. It means if you have Java installed on your machine, the Java program will run. It doesn't matter if you have written the code on Windows or you are trying to execute it on Linux or on Mac OS. If Java is installed on both the machines, then the code will be working fine. So yes, the first version of Java was released by the Sun Microsystem in the year of 1995, and it says like if you haven't installed Java, you won't be able to use Java program. So as just I have told you that Java has its own platform, so whatever application which has been written on Java programming language, if you wanted to use them, you will have to install Java first on your machine. Once you will install the Java on your machine, all the programs will be running on your machine. So it was created by James Arthur Goslings, and he started working on this project in 1991. So guys, there is some history like how it took this much of time. As you can see that James Goslings started working on this project in 1991, and they have released their first version of Java in the year of 1995. There is some history, as let me tell you, like there was one earlier version of Java which was released with some other name, but that particular language was having some fixations. So after that they have fixed it, and it was changed pretty well, so they have also renamed that particular language. Later on they given the name of this language Java. And in the next video I'm going to tell you features of Java and how to set up Java in your machine. So guys, stay tuned, and if you have any queries, please write in the comment sections. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.